For the last 6 months, City Plumbing has been working with Shal Housing Association in Somerset. Residents' homes have been fitted with smart technology to monitor the efficiency of the heating system. The aim? Cut carbon, reduce fuel poverty and create a more sustainable home environment. Today I'm at Shal Housing HQ, where they're monitoring the data from the ADEY and Vericon solutions. The Vericon solution, how's that been?
So good. It's given us a lot of data. It's allowed us to be more proactive, which in turn has given us less call-outs for tenants.
So part of that is fitting the boiler control module, which you fitted in several properties.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about the data?
Yeah, if you look at this particular property, so if you can see at the beginning, when we first fitted it, the boiler was working really hard, constant, non-stop going. As a result of that, we were able to send one of our operatives to go and adjust the settings and put it into an eco mode. And if you look as a result of that, that's how the boiler should be working.
So the second part, you fitted the multi-dots, which are measuring temperature and humidity inside that property. What have you found from that?
Again, with this same property, when we go down, you'll see, if I go across the chart here, there is no difference to this temperature once we'd adjusted the settings, but the boiler is working far more efficiently.
So you fitted the autofill across several properties and that tops up the pressure on a heating system. What data have you got from that?
Yes, if you look here, we're able to monitor this, and in this particular property, if you look, you can see at the middle of the night the pressure drops, the autofill kicks in and tops up the pressure automatically, meaning there's no break for the tenant for the heating or the hot water, and we've not had to call anybody out.
So that's a huge benefit for you and for your resident.
Definitely.
ProCheck from ADEY is the UK's first central heating digital water test, which provides instant lab-style results directly from on-site engineers' smartphones. What's the ADEY ProCheck shown us?
So we tested 20 properties in total. It's shown us that 9 have come out good, needs no work, but it showed us that 11 need immediate attention.
So with these 11 properties, you're going to carry out a Magna Cleanse?
Yeah, that's exactly what we'll do. The Magna Cleanse will flush through the whole heating system. It'll bring out all the sludge out, which will make the boiler work a lot more efficiently.
And the final stage is fitting the ADEY Micro 3 Sense filter.
Exactly that. What that's going to let us do is enable us to monitor it so we can detect breakdowns before they happen.
ADEY filters are installed in over 10 million homes globally, reducing over 2 million tonnes of CO2 per year. That's like taking 700,000 cars off the road. Throughout the scheme, Somerset Gas have been working with City Plumbing and Shal Housing to fit the Vericon system and roll out the ADEY solution. Mark, what's your thoughts on this new technology that you've been installing?
Well, I've been a gas heating engineer for 45 years and I think it's actually going to be a game changer.
What are the benefits you're going to draw?
We have an insight as to what's going wrong with the boiler with a fault code that comes and appears on our computer at work. This allows us to take certain parts with us to try and do a first-time fix. It also means we can plan our engineers better because with the resident perhaps not knowing the boiler's broken down, we've got time to just shift some engineers around and get someone there as soon as possible with the correct parts.
Our smart heating system scheme has proven the power of data and what that means to Shal Housing's residents.
The biggest thing is they've noticed that their boilers are far more efficient and more responsive, so nothing but positive comments from our tenants.
So this really is a win-win situation.
It is exactly that, yes.
City Plumbing are on a journey with our partners, our customers and their customers. We believe we have a responsibility in reducing energy consumption and making the planet safer for the future.